This video will demonstrate how to mill pockets using SWOOD CAM. This mill was added to our library in a previous video, and I'll use it to mill these pockets. I'm going to do this in two steps to show the difference between an open pocket and a closed pocket. I'll mill this closed pocket first. Selecting the tool displays the available operations. This will be a pocket milling operation. There are several ways to feed into the cut: plunge, ramp, or spiral. Depending on what's selected, different numeric values are provided. The next group of icons control how the tool approaches the cut, the movement in X, Y, and Z. We set the rapid plane, the clearance plane, the depth of cut, and the amount taken in the last pass. We can adjust the depth of the pocket to be oversize or undersize. And the depth of the pocket can be locked into the model or modified. We can also specify how much material to leave on the sides of the pocket. Climb or conventional cut. Depending on whether we're spiraling or not, we can choose to stay at depth or jump between passes. And finally, we can select the location where the tool feeds into the cut. After accepting, we can simulate the motion. An open pocket is defined just like a closed pocket. The dialog box is the same, with the exception of this one area. Because it's an open pocket, we have an approach distance and an overflow value. And that's pocket milling using SWOOD CAM. Thank you.